Is your home suffering from damp, peeling walls and heat loss? Traditional insulation can be bulky and disruptive. Discover Wykamol Isotherm, the revolutionary thin internal wall insulation designed for modern living. This ultra-thin, specially woven polyester fabric is just 4 millimeters thick, offering incredible thermal performance. Its unique flexibility allows it to effortlessly wrap around corners and features without removing existing fixtures. Solid walls often lose heat and develop condensation. Isotherm creates a barrier, preventing moisture and retaining warmth. Simply apply Isotherm bond adhesive, then press the fabric onto the wall for a seamless, durable finish. With just 5 millimeters of adhesive and 4 millimeters of Isotherm, your wall gains superior insulation in only 10 millimeters. Improve your home's energy efficiency and EPC scores, creating a healthier, more comfortable living environment. Wykamol Isotherm provides permanent damp solutions for healthy homes, saving you space and energy. Visit our website today to learn more and transform your property with Wykamol Isotherm.